Hi friend, in this video I will show you how to make a BLDC desktop fan. So I will install a BLDC fan, but this BLDC fan is a powerful one, and I will convert AC current to DC current, and then I will run a BLDC fan. Because normal fan motor, if you install a normal fan motor DC fan, it consists of brass bush, and after a few days of run the brass bush will go out and it will not work properly. So it is better to make a BLDC fan that will run directly from AC current. So I am installing the BLDC fan unit. First of all, I have prepared a frame with the help of my 3D printer. Then after that I will install the converter unit. This converter unit will convert AC 220 volt to DC 12 volt. So by this way you have to install. So the most important thing, you must purchase a good BLDC fan that must have high RPM, because such a small unit will not provide you much airflow until and unless you install a good high speed BLDC fan. So this fan I have installed is a bigger one, and it is 120 mm dia. So you can see friend, I have directly connected the unit with AC 220 volt and it is working. So in summer season, during the time of table work or desktop table work, your AC is maybe running, but the airflow is not so good from AC in a corner of a room. Then for that purpose you can use this type of fan, just placed on the desktop or computer table, and run it directly with the help of AC current, and you can see it will provide you good and pleasant airflow. So you can see friend, I have completed the build part almost, and both the part are made with 3D printer. You may use normal material to build this body part, no issue. So here is the BLDC fan that will run directly from AC current. So friend, the build part is completed. I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations, and to get more and more videos you can just subscribe my channel and you will get a number of videos of science experiment. Thank you.